Hey Mario, I've been thinking. It seems that I'm ready to make another new Super Luigi U video. Okay. Okay, go ahead. And you can play on your own. No, what do you mean on my own? You can just play by yourself. Why? What's wrong, guys? This little thing. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna push it in. See if that fixes it. That doesn't fix it. Odd. What to do? Wait, what happened to the switch? Which is painful. Okay, I'm gonna unplug it. You can unplug it real quick, and I'm gonna plug it back in. If I can do it, that is. No? Plug? No? What is wrong with it? Interesting. Why? You should have been prepared, Mario. Because somehow Undertale is on the Switch right now. Ah! What the heck? How is the TV input thingy not working? That is so odd. That is super duper odd on Luigi. Why'd you unplug the game controller? I don't know. Maybe I'll unplug this and plug it back in. No. You see, I keep flipping it. Did it blink? I'm not sure. I didn't even see it. It did not blink. We appear to have a problem. So what's it gonna be? A new Super Luigi U World or a Kirby and Friends episode first? Oh my god. It's not working. I plugged it in 1,000,000 times and nothing happens. What is wrong with the Switch? Does it not want to work anymore? I think it's loose, I think. I'm not sure, Mario. Looks like we can't do a world. Why? No, I want to do one. Honey, please. Look, Mario, the switch cable thing isn't working somehow, and that's odd. Odd? Yeah, very odd, actually. I'm sorry, but the answer is no. We cannot play at all. It doesn't want to work at all, okay? Let's just let Kirby do his series. No. We will do it. Look, Mario. Look. I'm going to unplug it. Okay, I'm plugging it back in. No blink. See that? I tried everything. What do you want me to do? Is this backwards? No. Okay. It should be working. It didn't blink. Odd. Wait, that's the controller to the GameCube. We're pulling so many wires. Because I don't know what to do. Oh my god, it like no longer works anymore. I think the whole time the switch has been not charging. Oh, come on, you stupid thing, work! I unplug it and plug it back in, and it still doesn't blink. Mario, I don't know. We're not gonna do it today. Why? Once again, it doesn't want to do it. Okay. Guess we should just end this video. We're gonna keep doing this. How about we switch the cable? Nothing happens. That's weird. It's the charger. Hold on, Luigi. Let me check the charger. I think that's the problem. Sure, Mario? Yeah. I think it's the charger. Guys, let's clean it off. Oh god, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff on it. Huh, no wonder it doesn't want to work. Luigi, if we probably clean this, then maybe it'll work? I'm not sure, Mario. It's old. It's from 2017, and I wasn't here this whole time. Yeah, your version wasn't here. But the older Luigi was. Or was he? I'm not sure. We got the Switch way before I came. I'm gonna clean the, go. Okay, give it to me. Okay, I got it. Oof. Ow. Here. Okay, thanks, Mario. I'll take the rest from here. You could have been playing New Super Luigi already. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Yeah! The video's getting too long. So, I guess this is a how-to to, fix your cable if it's not working. Hey, Luigi, listen to this. Okay. Okay, I'll listen. Okay, what is this video? Okay, what is going on? Oh, what the bass right now?